Hey Meadowbrook members, this is Paul Resner with this week's Stroke Saver tip. So this week we're talking about trajectory control, and there's really a few simple ways that we can do that to hit into some different windows. We're talking about mostly pitching and chipping right now, but this really applies to your full swing as well. So the windows would be low, middle, and high, and really we'll start with the low one. Obviously ball position is going to be toward the back of your stance, but I think the bigger one is taking the handle of the club, taking the shaft and leaning it forward. We're not doing anything with the face. The face still stays square to the target line, but we're changing the shaft lean here, and that's, you can see what the face is doing. We're taking loft off the club face, and taking loft off the club face is going to lower the ball flight. You know, so long as we get back to impact and we maintain. So right now this is kind of pointing at the left side of my body. If I got back to impact and the shaft is still pointing at the left side of my body, I'm going to be able to control height and hit it lower. So that kind of looks like this. That ball launched low. I still have my hands kind of ahead. Okay, more the middle. Obviously we're going to move our ball position up more between our 2 feet, more on my spine. And I'm going to have a more neutral shaft lean here. So the hands are maybe just slightly ahead. Again, when we get to impact, we want to just maintain that angle when we get to that impact position, and we're following through and releasing just a little bit. So middle ball position to hit it, kind of in that middle window. Maintain that shaft angle. And obviously the high one, we're going to put that ball up in our stance, and then most importantly, we're going to put the handle back. And then as we get to impact, the right hand releases underneath a little bit, and it's a little bit longer and slower swing as well. You can see how much loft I've got now. This is my 54-degree wedge, and right now it might have 75 degrees of loft on it. So a little bit longer, slower swing, releasing underneath the club a little bit, and the ball comes out nice and high and hits that window. So really controlling your trajectory and your windows is a lot to do with ball position and then the angle of the shaft at address, and most importantly at impact. Try that, and I think you'll have some good success with controlling the golf ball better.